Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy databases with MongoDB Atlas, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the MongoDB Atlas website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, click on the Build a Cluster button. Choose your preferred cloud provider and region. Select the cluster tier that suits your needs. Click on Create Cluster to start the provisioning process. Wait a few minutes for your cluster to be built. Once the cluster is ready, navigate to the cluster's dashboard. Select the Database Access tab on the left sidebar. Click on Add New Database User. Fill in the username and password for your new database user. Set the appropriate database user privileges. Click Add User to save the new credentials. Next, click on the Network Access tab. Click on Add IP address to whitelist your current IP. You can choose to allow access from all IP addresses by selecting Allow Access from Anywhere. Click Confirm to save the changes. Return to the cluster's dashboard. Click on the Connect button for your cluster. Choose Connect your application. Copy the connection string provided. Replace username and password in the connection string with your database user credentials. Use a MongoDB client like MongoDB Compass or your application to connect using this string. Once connected, you can start creating and managing your databases. To create a new database, run the command in your MongoDB client. Input the name of the database and the initial collection. Your new database is now ready for use. Ensure you regularly monitor your usage and scale your cluster as needed. Explore additional features in Atlas, like backup and monitoring options. Congratulations on successfully deploying your database with MongoDB Atlas. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.